Hello YouTube, Roger Savant, and in the last video I was going to show you guys the little gate things. That's pretty awesome, and I just want to show you that.
One button at a time.
Oh, that kid's going to break that. Oh, yeah, let me show you guys this. Alright, here we go.
You're going to run that for everybody else because it's not going to work anymore.
It's taking so long. That train's not moving at all.
Wait till the train goes by and it's over there. Oh, the train is stopped. One train is stuck and it's stopped.
Oh. Oh no. Guess not. Is it that same train? I want to find out. Yeah, I think so. I guess that train froze, so oh well. Sorry. Yeah, I guess. Well, it's back today. So I'm just gonna go back to my house and make some more videos for you guys. Not at my house, not right now. So anyway, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and smack that subscribe button if you want to see more Roger Savant videos. And that's all. Goodbye.